Hello, boys and girls. It's me, Petosky Pete, here in the beautiful blue waters of the Pacific Ocean. For today's Kids Achieving Greatness lesson, you will learn about subtraction. And because you are so great, when you are finished with this lesson, you will be able to say, I can subtract greater numbers without regrouping. First, let's talk about our vocabulary words. The first one is subtract. That means to take something away. Difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. Regroup means to use place value to exchange equal amounts. There are two ways to write a subtraction problem, the vertical form, up and down, and the horizontal form, side to side. And now let's talk about subtraction procedures. Our first procedure is to start with the largest number and subtract the smaller number. Next, we always subtract from least place value to greatest or right to left. And finally, right to left means start in the ones place, then the tens, then the hundreds, then, you guessed it, thousands. You're so great. Today you're going to need place value blocks, a place value chart, and your worksheet and a pencil. If you don't have a place value chart, you can make your own. Fold this paper in half like this. Now fold it in half again like this. Open it back up and make your lines so you have all four places. But my favorite thing to use are these bright colored papers. I like to color code them, purple for the thousands, green for the hundreds, pink for the tens, and blue for the ones. Let's get started. Our first problem is 2,384 minus 1,263. Our first procedure says to start with the largest number and take away the smallest number. That's what we've done here because 2,000 is larger than 1,000. The next step or procedure is to make a model. I have 2,000s, 300s, 8 tens, and 4 ones. The next procedure is to start in the ones place. I take away 3 of the ones. Now the tens place, and I take away 6 of the tens. And now the hundreds place, I take away 2 of the hundreds. And last, I go to the thousands and take away 1 of the thousands. And now what we have left after we take everything away is 1,121. For this problem, we did not have to do any regrouping because all of the digits on the top are greater than the digits on the bottom. 4 is greater than 3, 8 is greater than 6, 3 is greater than 2, and 2 is greater than 1. Hey, not so bad, great kids! We just subtracted greater numbers without regrouping. And now for our rock-solid quick review. Start with the greatest number, subtract the least number, subtract from right to left, start in the ones place, then the tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. And that concludes this lesson with KAG Studios on subtraction. Rock on, great